In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a booking calendar in Google Sites. By the end, you'll have a live calendar on your site that updates automatically as you add or change events in Google Calendar, making it easy for visitors to see your availability or upcoming sessions. First, open your Google site and navigate to the exact page where you want the calendar to appear. If your site has multiple pages, use the Pages panel to jump to the right one. Make sure you're in edit mode so you can make changes. It helps to have your layout in mind before you begin because the calendar will fit into the section you place it in, and clear space makes it easier to see what you're doing. Next, look to the Insert options and choose Insert, then from Drive and then Calendar. This opens a picker window connected to your Google Drive so you can bring in items directly. If you don't see Calendar right away, use the search bar in the picker to find it by name, or switch views until you see your calendars listed. This step is where the connection happens, so take a second to confirm you're pulling the right item. If your drive has a lot of content, narrowing by owner or recent items can help surface the calendar faster. Now select the Google Calendar that actually holds your bookings or events. Many people have multiple calendars, personal, team, project specific, so check the name, and if you use colors, look for the one you recognize from Google Calendar. As soon as you select it, you'll see a live preview placed on your page. That preview reflects your real data, and it will continue to update automatically whenever you add, remove, or edit events in Google Calendar. Visitors will be able to switch views like month or agenda using the built-in controls on the embedded calendar, and they'll see dates and times in the calendar's time zone. If events don't appear the way you expect, double check that you chose the calendar where those bookings actually live, not an empty default calendar. Also, remember that visibility follows your calendar's sharing settings. If your site is available to people outside your organization, a fully private calendar won't show details to them. Adjusting calendar visibility later in Google Calendar will carry over here. That's all you need to place a booking calendar on your Google site. Keep your events organized in the right calendar, and the site will do the rest, keeping your schedule clear and up to date for your audience.